In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a vertical video for shorts or reels using Premiere Rush. Whether you're creating content for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, formatting your video vertically is a crucial step to ensure it fits seamlessly and looks professional. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, you want to change the aspect ratio of your project to a vertical format, specifically 9:16. This is the standard for mobile full-screen display, which is perfect for shorts and reels. To make this adjustment, go to the Edit workspace in Premiere Rush. On your screen, you'll notice an icon for aspect ratio or resize, usually located at the bottom of the preview monitor. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select 9:16, which will transform your project into a vertical format. Next, it's time to reframe your clips. This step is essential because the switch to a vertical aspect ratio changes how your footage is displayed. Head to the preview monitor, where you can scale and reposition your clips, making sure to highlight the most important parts and keep them center stage in your vertical frame. This might involve zooming in or moving the clip around a bit, to ensure the main subject is visible and not cut off by the edges of this narrower format. Once you've finished your edits, including any titles, audio enhancements, or color corrections, it's time to export your video. Navigate to the Share menu, which some might know as the Export menu. In the toolbar, you'll see the option to share. Click on that. You'll then have the choice to determine the destination for your export. Whether you're planning to save it locally on your device or upload it directly to platforms like YouTube or Instagram, select the appropriate option for your needs. At this point, it's prudent to dive into the advanced settings if they're accessible. Here, you should check the resolution and quality settings. Always aim for the highest quality your project allows, but certainly ensure that the aspect ratio remains, crucially, in that vertical format. This final check guarantees that your export will display correctly and look polished on the platform where it will be shared. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to exporting a vertical video for shorts and reels in Premiere Rush. Following these instructions carefully will help you create visually appealing content that stands out on mobile devices. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting, exporting correctly is key to making a great impression. Happy editing and sharing!